Today I'd like to show you guys something we did at this old house that I'm working on. There was a fire in this house before I bought it, and the panel box the cellar had flooded right up into the panel box. You can kind of see the old water stains. This thing was full of water when I bought it. But anyways, the water got up in the panel box, shorted the panel box out, caught it on fire, and burned up the electrical service. Didn't catch the house on fire. Good thing. This is all before I bought it. But anyways, we had to think of a way to put a new panel box in here, and all the wires were fried off this thing. So what we come up with was this junction box right here. I thought it was a nice idea. I would show it with some people. We put a couple of short pieces of pipe in there between the new panel box and basically where our burned wires were and everything. And we put Romex connectors, I don't know if you can see them, up in there on the top. They're there. There's some Romex connectors that put all your old wires into that box, and we just spliced some new wires on there. And we came down through here. You can see all the wires coming down through. And we put our new panel box in. So kind of a nice way to do it. Saved a lot of work because we didn't have to fish all these wires up in there. It passed inspection, the initial inspection. So it's good with our codes around here to do that. So just something, if you're fixing up these old houses and you need to put a new panel box in, and your wires aren't long enough, say you want to move that panel box, this is kind of a nice idea. And you could make these right here, these conduits, as long as you wanted. So you could literally keep that junction box there and move this panel box way over here if you wanted to. If it suited you better for your application, you could move it wherever you wanted to. You could put those conduits in and bend them, or have 90s and sweeps and put those things wherever you want and have your junction box. As long as it's accessible so you can get in there, you can splice your new wire to it and put this panel box wherever you wanted. And say you're switching over to a 200 amp service off a 100 amp service, that would work good too, because you need a bigger area for your bigger panel box, so maybe it won't fit in that certain area. But I just wanted to share that with you. It's kind of a nice way we took care of this problem, and hopefully it helps somebody out. Thanks.